Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the new release video and this is wild. Very, very wild. I know there's gonna be some people saying, it's too early! But I have my kids planned out till January, so it's not too early, but like kinda. So I had planned to release Halloween, which I usually every year do on the first week of August. But there was kind of like a drought of art, I feel like, as far as like non-exclusive art. Like art available from artists. I feel like there hasn't been as much recently, so I was like kind of running out of things to release, so I decided to just go ahead and move this up. So let's go ahead and go through this week's wiggle first. So this week's wiggle is on the matte paper and it is that sparkly, is it sparkly? Yes, sparkly rainbow. So we had the rainbow wiggle and this is the rainbow wiggle on the black matte paper. So this is our solid wiggle and this is just so fire. You guys love the rainbow wiggle. I'm pretty sure it's sold out. So this is going to be a great one to have to pair with that or just on its own. So you have your 5 sheets here, so you can buy all as all 5 for $10, or each of them you can purchase separately for a little bit of a higher price. So you have your 15mm washi, you have your icons, you have your date covers, you have your bow headers, and then you also have your flags and bows. And this is so pretty on the black mat. It is so perfect. I wish I had something to compare it to that like maybe you guys have at home, but it's like a pretty dark black, but I love it. I love the matte with the foil on top. It's just stunning. So that'll be available this Wednesday at noon Eastern. Then let's get on to this week's releases. I'll go through the kits first and then I'll go through the other items that we're going to be releasing as well. So let's go through. All of this art is exclusive, so you won't find any of this art anywhere else, which is really, really cool. And I'll be doing unlimited stock on these releases here, these like the sticker ones that we make in shop for Friday only. I'm going to do 24 hours, so it'll be Friday at noon Eastern to Saturday at noon Eastern. I was going to do 3 hours. Somebody suggested trying 24 hours, so I'm going to try doing that and see how we can handle the production of that. So let's go into my fall kit first. So this is an exclusive artwork set. All of these are all the collections, which is super exciting. I don't think I've ever done an all exclusive art release before, but I am so excited about it. This collection is probably my favorite from this release because look at it. I love it. It's a pumpkin patch kit. I love the colors. You got like your pink, a maroon, a navy, and then the orange, which I just feel like is a classic like fall color with some white in there as well to kind of like make it more modern. So this is like a pumpkin picking general fall kit, which I love. I love this chuck. My father-in-law told me he's like it's like a something around the year Chevy pickup or something, or no, maybe not, I don't know. He told me what it was though. And he was like, yeah, the year before it had rear windows and the year after it had this. And I'm like, oh boy. Then you have the Ombre Heart checklist. You have the functional page. You have the half boxes page. Look at these patterns. I'm dying. You have your extra full box here with your pumpkin spice latte and your pumpkins. More of those squared off boxes. I didn't do the square ones for this one. I just did this one. I think I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to just do the do. And then I have little things, headers, your deck over here, which is so cute, with more functional items over here, and then your bottom washi, which I love, and your date covers. There is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which, oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm like so excited to use this kit. Then you have your label sampler if you want to add that on. You also have the glitter sampler if you want to add that on. And then the coolest thing about this one is that we're going to have family boxes, kind of like, what kit had these? What kit had family boxes that we've released? The pool party ones, pool day that I used for 4th of July had these kind of boxes as well. So these are actually the same size as our full boxes, so there's lots of options here. So you do have one tall box on the side, and this is family one, so you have the tall box on the side of the couple, then you have a little boy, a little girl, just like a girl, and then you have like apple picking box, a pumpkin patch box you can use on the day that you go to pumpkin patch or just because it's cute, and then you have a girl in a wheelchair there, which is super cute. I love her like shoes and pant combo. But this is like the redhead option. This is family number 2. Ugh, so cute. Family number 3, family number 4. The difference between family 4 and family 3 is the brown hair. You could tell there, hopefully. And this is black hair, so this is family 4, this is family 5, and then this is family 6. Love this, love this. I'm obviously gonna get family 6 because I have a blonde baby, and then probably family 3 for me and Nick. So cute, so cute, so cute. I love it. Just take a look. Take a look. I love it so much. So this is, did I say it's called Pumpkin Patch? I think it's kind of obvious. Then let's go into the mini kit and show you guys the mini kit, and then I won't show you guys the mini kit for any of the other ones, but I always put up on the second picture of my listings a full like look at all of the sheets that come inside. But this is the mini kit. Super cute, and you still get the same Munchkin freebie here. So that is Pumpkin Patch. Again, exclusive art like all of the kits this week, and we will be doing unlimited stock for 24 hours. I hope that I can keep up with that because I do feel like it is the most convenient for you guys. So this is, again, Pumpkin Patch. You have lots of options for add-ons, and I'm so excited to use this kit this fall. Next, we do have, let's do this one. So we have another exclusive. I'm just going to keep saying it. I'm so used to like having like one exclusive art a week, but it does come in a mini kit, and I am going to be using this year, probably when I go to Disney for Halloween. So this is called Evil Queen, and it's kind of a modernized play on like villains. So you have Cruella de Vil and Ursula here. I just love this so much. I love the pops of pink with so much black. I just love it. These are the colors. You have the 2 purples, a pink, and a green, which I just feel like is so fun and very villainous. You have your functional items. You have squared off boxes, and then you have your extra full box here, which has a ring, shoes, and a dress in it. Your little things page, your headers page. You have a ton of deco over here, more functional items. Then you have your bottom washi, and these are so cute, the Munchkin freebie. There is an option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. I love this pink color. Even if you're not getting this kit, this pink color is fire. I would just get the kit just because look at these colors. These, like, living. Then you have your label sampler, and then also your glitter sampler. So that is Evil Queen, and I am for sure using this year for, like I said, when I go to Disney. Super cute. So that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, it also does come in a mini kit. I feel like this is one that you could probably use anytime. It does have like spooky evil vibes, but it also could just be like magical, you know? So then let's go on to the next set. So this one is called Friday the 13th, and this set was made because I know they're like honing in right now listening to me. They're not here, but I know in spirit they are. This was made because Emily and Kirsten have been bugging me. Well, Kirsten's been bugging me for years. Emily started bugging me this year because was she here last year for Halloween? Maybe she was. But they wanted a spooky Halloween kit based on scary movies, and they were like, you could use this for Friday the 13th. Like anytime, you could use this for the new American Horror Story. You could use it when you're doing like a horror movies session. You can use it for, you know, Halloween, but you have a lot of different references in here. They wrote them all down for me, and I just think it turned out super cute. So it is a black with kind of like pops of color scheme, and I think it's so cute. Something cool I did was the drop shadows are like different colors on each side. So this one has like a red, and then there's like a blue one. Something that you might not notice, but I thought was really cool. So love this art. Again, exclusive art. You have kind of like a cool faux glitter throughout that has like the different colors that are in the kit, which I think is kind of cool and unique. Emily and Kirsten are gung-ho over this because they are super into scary movies. You have a box over here that's kind of inspired by it. You have your little things, your headers. You have a ton of deco over here, super, super spooky. And your other functional items. Then you have your bottom washi. Where is the 15mm strip? Here it is. Then you have your 15mm strip, which is like a blood splatter, which I thought would be pretty cool, kind of paired with this. You could go like a lot of different ways with the foils on this. I know Emily has some cool ideas as for how she's going to use this as far as the foils go. So you have the label sampler, you also have the glitter sampler, and then you also have just kind of like another add-on box. I don't know, I'm probably just going to call this like extra boxes. So you kind of have, I guess this is like a Jaws scene, Scream, Cabin in the Woods, The Shining. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But they really wanted this, so I obliged because you gotta keep your SPC squad happy. I have a kit that's inspired kind of by The Boys. in the near future. So really excited about that. So that is Friday the 13th, comes in an ultimate and mini kit. Then last but not least, we do have Halloween, like Halloween. And this is our pastel Halloween kit for this year. We usually do some kind of pastel Halloween set. I wanted to kind of pull in black a little bit more in the full boxes and keep it pretty pastel. So you have two girls here, one dressed as a witch and one kind of like Wednesday Addams. So I guess just spooky. You have spiders throughout, which I love. I love the spiders. I love the black in it. I just think it like really pops against the pastel. So you have pastel colors throughout. You have kind of like that faux hollow multicolored glitter kind of accent throughout your half boxes, your functional page. I just think this is super cute. Probably going to be using this one this year as well. Little things, headers, your deco page, and then your bottom washi with your little munchkin sampler. Super cute. I feel like my hollow spreads every year for every holiday always turn out so pretty, especially like mixed with hollow. Like my 4th of July is like pastel and hollow, and I love it. So you have this 15 millimeter strip. You want to add this on. I love this color. It's really unique. I'm trying to think. It's kind of like a purpley blue. It doesn't match Periwinkle. Here, maybe look. Periwinkle was an old winkle. I don't know if it's still in the shop. I feel like it probably is. Do I not have any on me? Well, maybe if it matches, I'll post it on Instagram. I don't know why I don't have any. All right. I feel like it might match. This might be a little bit more purple, but that's the 15 millimeter strip if you want to add that on. Then you do have the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then there are going to be 2 glitter add-ons if you want to add these on. So you have the kind of like faux hollow, like it's just like a multicolored glitter, and then you also have the regular glitter sampler if that is more your cup of tea. So that is Halloween. Another cool thing about this set, well, one, it comes in a mini kit, so you also have the mini kit option as well. But there is also going to be a wiggle pack. So last week I did have Buffalo Check and Sugar Cookie go up, and this week I'm going to have this, which I'll probably call it Halloween, like this one. But this matches this perfectly. Beautiful. The colors are fantastic, and it's just like a spider web in pastel. You have the normal wiggle sheets, and like last week, I will put this on sale for $10 for the full bundle for the weekend only, and then it'll go back up to the regular price. So that'll be available to match that as well, but it's also just super cute to have in your collection. Last but not least, let's go through the foil items. So first we're going to go through this, which let me pull up the silver one because it's the easiest to see. So this here is going to be my Halloween sampler for the year. So this has 2 full boxes on top. I don't know if you could see full boxes. So you have the coffin and the spider and the bats and the cat. You could totally use these together, or you could cut them and use them on separate boxes. And then here you have 7 headers, ghost headers, so funny. You have a kitty cat, a coffin, some more spiders, and then some bats. So what I'm going to do for these, I thought it'd be fun to do for the weekend only. They're going to be $2 each. So normally I think they're $2.95, but for the weekend I'm going to put them on sale for $2 so you guys can stock up. Really love these. They're going to go with a lot of different sets for Halloween. You could totally use bats one week, spiders one week, some other stuff the other week. Get 3 of these, and you can use the spooky headers throughout and kind of just like mix and match. So these will be available in all 4 foils, and they'll be $2 for this weekend only. And then I have a couple of more spooky items. I was going to split them up, but I was just like, might as well just put them all up. So first thing, we do have a Halloween bucket list for movies. So I just picked some of my favorites along with some of the girls' favorite movies and just kind of classics, and put them on a sheet. Super, super cute. So that is the Halloween movie bucket list. Will be available in all 4 foils. There is, it's the same thing. Oops. Then we also do have some quote boxes. So these are 2 quote boxes. One says it's just a bunch of hocus pocus, and then one says stay spooky. Wanted to keep them kind of pretty neutral and just kind of general spookiness throughout. And then you do have a Halloween bucket list. So you have carve pumpkins, watch scary movies, buy Halloween candy, decorate for Halloween, visit pumpkin patch, trick or treat, eat all the candy, and buy a Halloween costume. So excited about Halloween. I cannot believe this is where I am already doing Halloween, but I am super, super excited to get into the holiday time. It makes me so like excited to start planning for the holiday. Like I said, I know it is early, but we plan ahead, being planner girls. And like I said, I usually release it the first week of August, but here we are. I hope you guys like this week's new releases. Again, I'm going to be doing limited stock for the first 24 hours for all of these items. This will be available for the weekend at $10. This will be available for the weekend at $2 a sheet. And then these are limited stock just because I don't make them in shop. Then this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. So I hope you guys like this week's new releases. Sorry I'm kind of all over the place. I filmed a lot of videos today, but I will talk to you guys in my next video.